channel. It is Shandestria and I'm back with another video. But first, if you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you click that subscription button and turn on your notifications so that you will not miss my weekly uploads. Today for this video, I am just going to do some medium mini twists. I'm just doing this because I really want to use my blue hair paint wax. Yes, and I mean blue. Like, I'm not gonna do my whole twist. Look how vibrant that color is. That is so pretty. I'm definitely not gonna do my whole head blue, but probably the ends of my medium mini twist. So of course I have my hair paint wax. It's got stuff scattered all over the place. I have my curling cream. I haven't quite decided like how I'm actually going to do this. I don't know if I should just twist out my hair first and then add the color, or add the color while I'm doing each twist. So I will figure that out, whichever way is easier. So I have my curling cream, not sure if I'm going to use it. I have my oil, my comb, clamps, my coil brush, of course, because it makes my twist look bomb. And definitely can't forget my spray bottle. I just have stuff left and right. I should probably put everything on one side, but we're gonna go with this. I'm not gonna do my hair in any particular way. This is actually just an old twist out, so I will be washing my hair in a few days. I also have a towel. Last time I used this, like, everything washed completely out. It was not bad. I think I used too much. I used the red one the last time I used this, which you can find that video somewhere on my channel. I will leave the card somewhere up top. So it wasn't bad. So I'm not gonna use gloves this time. I'm just gonna pretty much detangle this section, put some oil on here, and then probably I kind of want it from like here and down, but I don't know what's the best way to do that. Whether I should just twist it. You know, I'm gonna try both ways because it's my hair. I'm gonna try both ways. So let me go ahead and get started. Not really bright. Like, the blue is really pretty, but you can't see it like just adding it that way. So for this one, this way better because it gives off a more of a blue tint to it. So yeah, we're gonna go with this way, and like once I detangle the section, then I would just add the hair paint wax at the end, and then I would section off and twist it in my part, because I like that way. I just like this look better than this one. Okay, so I just went and looked in the mirror, so it's not as bright as I thought it would be. This is very vibrant. even though you can see it now, it may be a totally different thing once I step outside in like a natural sunlight. But I'm going to continue with this. I'm not going to prolong this process right here because that's a lot of hair to deal with. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff twisted. I will be back once I get done, and we'll see how the twist look tomorrow. And then I will take the twist apart, unwrap the twist, and wear it as is. What is that, Saturday? And we're gonna go from there. My twist, I don't know how much you can see the blue. I've been adding some here and there, but I love it. This color is so pretty and vibrant. Like, I can't wait to see it in the sun because I just know it is probably going to be way brighter than what it is here with my lighting in the inside. And I only tried to do the ends. I think it's still like a blue tint up there, or maybe it just kind of look like it. I see it there, but I think this is so cute. I don't know, I'm gonna have to wear this a little often. I really did not use much. So I was still applying my oil to my hair and the curling cream just so that I can have more slip while using the coil brush, because I definitely don't want it to pull my hair. I don't think any blue is like rubbing off anywhere because I didn't put a lot. I'm gonna have to touch up some of my ends, but they probably look okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this. All right guys, it is time for me to take these twists down. Now let me tell you, they are super cute, but I'm going to go ahead and unravel them. Outcome of my hair. I just decided to pull my twist apart and wear my hair like this, which, not that I decided, I was gonna wear my hair like this anyway, But I have been out and my hair has held up. I don't think I'm gonna detangle it tonight or pull it apart. I'll probably wear it like this tomorrow and then go ahead and wash it out. And my color did not come off at all. You can see it really well out in the sunlight. It's not as bright as most people would think it is. It is really, really pretty up against this dark blue. And yeah, I love it. This is hair paint wax. I will leave their link below and the price, because I don't really remember how much I paid for it, because I have had it for a little while. No smell to it. It washes directly out with water. If it's on your hands, the color washes off with soap and water. I use warm water just so that I can get under my nails. So it is like a little blue just from me scratching my scalp, but it is very fun to use, especially if you want to try out a new color before you actually dye your hair. I think this is a great idea. And for kids, if they have like crazy day at school or something like that, I think it is a good idea. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can catch these weekly updates. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, leave them down below and I will get back with you and try to make those videos happen for you. Yeah, so that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.